being accountable for how many books you read last month really helps you pump yourself up for the next month. So I am going to share which books I read last month, and I expect the same from you. Hi guys, I'm Manpreet and I'm the happiest person in the world today because I did something really cool which I had wanted to do since 6 months. I actually sent my resignation letter to one of my clients. That was epic. Now you'll be thinking, why did she say resign to a client? Because I was actually on the payroll, so that was like being on a salary but not being on a salary because I never work on that way. But today I quit and I'm so happy. Anyways, this is something I'm not going to talk about on this channel. If you want to hear more about it, go to my vlog. There will be a video up soon by the end of this week, okay? And yes, today is my wrap-up video where I'm going to tell you which are the books I read in December. Now, first 25 days of December, I didn't read anything. Next 3 days after that, I read 3 books. It's like 1 book a day, and that was pretty epic. Now, you must know that these books had something in them which made me want to read and read and read. So these are great books if you want to, just get into the flow of reading. And without further blabbering, let me show you which are those books. Number 1 entry is also a part of my top 6 books of 2016, and that is The Power by Rhonda Byrne. This is an amazing book. The reason why I'm so happy, so positive, so confident about myself, and really good things are happening to me, to be real. And the reason why is that happening is this book. I truly believe that, and I am so thankful to the person who introduced me to that manifestation course, and then I was introduced to this book, and I believe that my whole life has changed, and I am not exaggerating at all. I had been a very negative person, a person who used to be bothered a lot by what people say about her. I had like everything bad in me as a personality which would have hurt me. I had everything, and now everything is just slipping away, and I'm just being happy and happier, and I will be the happiest I know. So yes, this is a book you should definitely read, and I believe if you discuss the concepts with me or anybody, you will be able to use this book for your own betterment. So let's start doing that. In the comments, I'm always available, I always reply, I always discuss, so let's do that. The second book is Let It Snow by John Green, Maureen Johnson and Lauren Myracle. Now one of you asked me to review it. The review would be up soon, but this is a collection of 3 stories which are based around Christmas, and all of these stories are ultimately interconnected. So the first story is written by Maureen Johnson, and that is the Jubilee Express, which is about a girl whose life is just like was going pretty normal on Christmas Eve, and then suddenly a lot of things happen in her life which was so unexpected, and it is about that. So this gets into the flow of the story, and it's really funny in the beginning, but I believe that that compulsion of reading a good book, and that sense of fulfillment you get after reading a good story wasn't there. You always keep thinking like, what will happen next, what will happen next, and nothing really convincing or entertaining happens in this story. So that was like pretty meh for me. Anyways, the next story was by John Green. This is the first story I have read by John Green, and I totally loved the writing. Now I do expect to read a lot of more books before saying that John Green is this kind of author according to me, but I totally loved the second story, which was about a cheer-tastic Christmas miracle, and this was really really great, and the things which happened in this book were entertaining, and the second story really got me interested in this book, and I was like, I need to finish this right away. Although all the 3 authors are like having very good writing in the sense that it just flows, you keep turning the pages, but second story was better than the first one, a lot better than the first one. And the third story, which kind of connects everything, is by Lauren Myracle, and that was also really great. So I would definitely suggest you read it, but don't go into it with amazing expectations. It's a good light-hearted, nice read for the holiday season, or you can read it anytime, okay? The third and the last book is a sort of classic. I would know that a lot of people would not say call it a classic, but it is by the queen of crime, that is Agatha Christie. My first book by the author, and it's a Caribbean mystery. So the story is about there is a woman who is on a holiday. This is the like she has a series of Poirot mysteries, and this is like Miss Marple mystery series, and this is a part of Miss Marple mystery series. So Miss Marple is on a holiday, and she's listening to an old man who is telling her about a lot of different stories about his experiences everywhere, and then he starts telling her a story about a murderer. At that particular moment, they are interrupted, and then this man is dead, and now Miss Marple is getting into how this man died, because certainly there was somebody who overheard, and that was probably the murderer. She has to find out who was that murderer. Now this book was really good. It flowed like anything, and I really loved the writing. I really loved how everything every scene was played out, but it was pretty predictable. So if you are a person who's like, I'll just guess the mystery right now, you should not read her books, because you will just guess it and then you'll be like, wow. But if you're a person who likes crime mystery novels and just light-hearted novels, so you can read this book. I hope I didn't dive into a lot of explanations, because I always have a fear that if I talk a lot, which I obviously do, my videos will get boring. But anyways, these are the 3 books which I read in December, and I am totally proud of these books, because they really made me feel like, oh my god, why am I not reading more books? So that was pretty amazing. Tell me which of the books you read in December, and if you like them or not. I'll be looking for your replies in the comments down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is Manpreet signing off. Bye bye.